Hi, I'm Carmine Lupesce, and I have personality disorder that won't let me have many friends because of my alter ego issue. I used to call him Gianni. I usually feel like a gangster and I like it so much, but the problem is that my real work is to be a dog sitter for Patricia, my 85 years old neighbor, and often I get stuck in the character and I totally forgot to take care dog pooping because of my alter ego top secret business. When I'm waiting for the ransom of the people I kidnap, I focus on my skincare and pay attention to eat at least 3 different fruits every day. I really like to peel, chop, and milkshake bananas that are my favorites. I also really love watching my cat Gino for hours without touching it. To calm down, I used to immerse myself in books that inspire me a lot, like this one that is called The Desire for Cocks. Really amazing book. Instead, to amuse me, I enjoy making collages with the faces of psychopaths that I find online, finding similarities with other famous faces. So funny. Oh, in past Mohammed, my friend, often came to see me and always made me the Berber tea as they drank in the desert. But one day Gianni took possession of me and invited him to dinner and served him only pork. So his face was like this. Yes, that was not really funny for him. But it's okay, I live well alone too, and I'm really thinking about to turn myself in, but every time I try only to say that, Gianni takes hold of me.